Cleaning a house can seem like a mammoth task. It can be overwhelming if you don't know where to start. Here's a simple system for cleaning your house. Step 1. Remove the clutter. Your first step should be to remove any clutter and put it back in its rightful place. This includes putting clothes in the wardrobe, tidying away children's toys, and making sure there aren't any trip hazards on the floor. Step 2. Get some background tasks going. Before you start cleaning the house, it's a good idea to get the dishwasher and washing machine going if you have dishes and clothes to clean. They should be finished by the time you're done cleaning. If any part of your cleaning routine involves soaking something, you can do this now. This could mean soaking the shower head in a cleaning solution or putting bleach in the toilet. Step 3. Grab your tools. Get yourself prepared by gathering all of your tools together. You don't want to get halfway through only to realise you're missing something. Step 4. Dust from the top to the bottom. One of the most straightforward ways you can clean your home is to work from the top of the house to the bottom. It makes sense to dust first before applying any cleaning products to surfaces or vacuuming the floor. Step 5. Start the wet clean phase. You can now clean the bathroom and the kitchen. Step 6. Hoover or mop. Next, you can hoover and or mop the floors to collect dust particles from them. Carry the vacuum cleaner to the top of the house and hoover there before working your way down. Step 7. Clean your cleaning tools and do a final check. As a final step, you should clean your cleaning tools so that they're ready to be used next time. This means emptying the vacuum cleaner's dust canister, washing and rinsing the mop, and emptying and cleaning the washing machine. I hope this video has helped you plan out cleaning your house. Don't forget to subscribe for more home care, laundry, and washing machine tips. Thanks for watching.